How to add HD admin to your game on Roblox Studio. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can easily add HD as admin on your game on Roblox Studio. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to open Roblox Studio on your laptop or PC and make sure that you're logged in. Then you want to find your recent experiences or the games that you've created. So what I'm going to do is go over to my game right here. You can just double click on it and it will easily open up my game. It's nothing special, it's just a base plate. So I'll show you how you can do it over here. You need to make sure that your toolbox is open on the left hand side of your screen. And from the drop down, make sure the models is selected. Then once you have selected this, as you can see, I have a normal base plate over here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add an HD admin. Once you selected models from here, click on the search bar and search for HD admin. Tap on it and then hit the search icon or just hit enter. It will automatically show you all of the available results. This is the HD admin. You can either drag and drop it over here, just like so. Tap on OK. And now you have successfully added the script here. All you need to do now is just go ahead and you can add your script from here. So you just double click on this on the part, make sure all of these files are here and you're good to go. That's how you basically add HDAdmin on your game on Roblox Studio. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.